Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning everybody.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
Morning. Fine, thank you. And you?
Okay, I am fine too, thanks. Sabrina, please lead your friend to pray first.
Before study together. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Sabrina. Have lead your friend to pray. And before we begin for today, I would like check your attendance. Student who mention the name, please raise your hand and keep smile. Okay. I will begin from Arliana. Yesi Sahnanda. Okay. Aryanuka. Good. Erlistina. Oke, Bisma. Muhammad Bisma Yasera. Good. Fikaraka. Lutfatunida. Iya. Giska Izanur Musharofah. Good. Giska Haifa Fadilah. Good. Trio Manikrasa. Oke, Trio Manikrasa, are you there? Isara, Nurul Azmi. Oke. Salsa Dwi Olivia. Sabrina Syabanisa. Haristia Fauzan. Zahira. Okay, good. Thank you for your joining in Zoom meeting today. So I hope that all of you here still have a good spirit in learning process, although we face COVID-19, but I'm sure that all of you here still have a good spirit in learning process. So don't forget to wash your hand before you doing and after doing activity. And then don't forget wear your mask when you go out of your home. And of course, you have to eat healthy food to keep your body healthy. Okay, wait. Okay, class. I have pictures for all of you here. I will share the PPT. Okay. Do you know what picture is it? Sabrina, what picture is it? Pardon? Can you repeat your answer?
It is a calendar.
Okay, this is a calendar. So, do you have calendar at your home, JJ? Do you have calendar? Good. So, what is the information provided in calendar?
I'm sure.
Yes, JJ, please answer my question.
Moon in the years and day.
Okay, day, month of the year. And what else? Month.
Years.
Okay, year. So the information in calendar, the first is day, date, month, and of course year. Okay, good. Thank you, Sabrina. Thank you, Erliana Jesse Shanana, for your participation. So today, we are going to discuss about month of the year. The learning objectives, the first, identify the expression of asking and telling months. And the second, understand months of the year and write down simple sentences about months. Okay. Next, the activity you will have. The first, you will observe the video. Kalian akan mengobservasi video, menonton dan mengobservasinya. And the second is pronounce the months of the year. mengucapkan atau melafalkan nama-nama bulan dalam tahun, and work in group to answer the question. Okay, that is the activity you will have in this learning process. And then the learning assessment, penilaian pembelajaran. So in this learning process, you will assess in the first affective or sikap. What are they? The first, I will assess the attitude, sikap, discipline, and confident or percaya diri. And the second is cognitive or pengetahuan. I will give you a written test to answer the question. And the last is skill, writing a simple sentence. So in group, you will write a simple sentence or answer some question about the month of the year. Okay. So before we enter to the main activity, I would like to check your concentration. When I say English, you have to clap your hand 3 times like this. Okay. Do you understand? Okay. English. Okay, good. Thank you. Well, class, we'll move into the next activity, that is the main activity. Okay, in this main activity, I will share you the video. You have to make the question related to the video.
For a child's heart, body, and mind. 12 months of the year, from preschool learning fun by the Learning Station. These are the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. These are the months. We'll sing it more than once, and we'll sing it loud enough for all to hear. Say January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. These are the months. We'll sing it more than once, and we'll sing it loud enough for all to hear. Say January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. These are the months. We'll sing it more than once, and we'll sing it loud enough for all to hear. Say January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year.
What is your favorite month and why? Is it January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, or December?
From the video, I will ask you to make question related to the video. Okay. Who will give me the question about the video? Raise your hand. Guys, do you have question about the video? Sabrina, do you have question about the video?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the question?
How many months in a year?
Okay, your question is how many months in a year? Okay, good question, I think. So, next question. From Sabrina, the question is how many months in a year? Okay, good question. Okay, who else will give me the question about the video? Ais, do you have a question about the video?
Yes.
Okay, what is the question, Ais?
What is the name of month before November?
Okay, what is the name of month before November? Okay, good question, I think. Okay, there are two questions. The first is from Sabrina. Sabrina says, how many months in a year? Okay, who can answer the question from Sabrina? How many months are in a year?
12.
Yeah, your answer is 12. Good. So there are 12 months in a year. Okay, the second question is from Ais Anindya Putri Hidayat. The question is, what is the name of month before November? Who can answer the question from Ais? Sabrina, can you answer the question from Ais?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the name of month before November?
October.
October. So October is the name of month before November, right?
Right.
Okay, good. Okay, class. After you watch video and observe it and you make the question and answer the question, we will move to the next activity. Okay, I will share the screen again to all of you here. Okay, wait for a moment. Okay, now your task is repeat after me in pronouncing months of the year. Ikuti setelah Bapak mengucapkan nama-nama bulan dalam satu tahun. Okay, beginning from January. Okay, repeat after me. Okay, you can unmute your microphone first. January. Okay, open your microphone. January.
January.
Okay, February. February.
February.
Okay, good. March.
March.
April. April.
April.
Okay, May.
May.
Okay, June.
June.
July.
July.
August.
August.
September.
September.
October.
October.
November.
November.
December.
December.
Okay, please Sabrina, and after Sabrina, please is to read the months of the year. Okay, beginning from Sabrina, please. Or is maybe. Okay, read. Okay, next.
February.
After, next.
March.
Yeah, good.
April.
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 Okay, April.
April.
Good. Next.
May.
May. Okay, next.
June.
Good.
July.
Yeah, next.
August. September.
Yeah.
October. November.
Yes, good. The last is?
December.
Okay, very good. Okay, next. Okay. There are some vocabularies related to the name of months. That is before and after. Before in bahasa Indonesia means sebelum. After in bahasa Indonesia means setelah. So the using in the sentence like this. Before November is October. August is after July. April is before May. After May is June. Sebelum November adalah Oktober. Agustus setelah bulan Juli. Bulan April sebelum bulan Mei. Dan setelah bulan Mei adalah bulan Juli. Oke. Sabrina, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you read the first sentence?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, please.
Before November is October.
Okay, next.
August is after July.
Next.
April is before May.
The last?
After May is June.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's move to the next pictures. Okay, for more information, take a look to the following example. Okay, there are some example here. The first is, what is the name of month before April? Bulan apa atau apa nama bulan sebelum April? Your answer is before April is March. Sebelum April adalah bulan Maret. The next example is, what is the name of month before September? It is August. So you can answer, it is August. Okay, the next example is, what is the name of the month after October? The answer is after October is November. Okay, we'll move to the next pictures. When we discuss about months of the year, of course, we will discuss too about date. Jadi ketika kita membicarakan tentang nama bulan, kita juga tidak akan terlepas dari pembahasan tentang tanggal. So, we will observe the meaning of cardinal number and ordinal number. Pay attention to the meaning of the cardinal and ordinal numbers. A cardinal number is a number that say how many of something there are, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jadi cardinal number itu adalah bilangan yang menyebutkan jumlah dari sesuatu benda. Misalnya 1, 2, 3, 4, dan 5. An ordinal number is a number that tell the position of something in a list, such as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and etc. Jadi ordinal number itu adalah bilangan yang menyebutkan atau memberitahu posisi dari benda dalam daftar. Contohnya ke-1, ke-2, ke-3, ke-4, dan seterusnya. Oke, itu adalah pengertian dari ordinal numbers. Jadi, so when we discuss about month of the year, we will discuss too about ordinal numbers. Repeat after me in pronouncing ordinal numbers. Okay, we will begin from the first. Okay, silakan repeat after me. Unmute your microphone. First. Okay, please. First.
First.
Second.
Second.
Third.
Third.
Okay, good. Fourth.
Fourth.
Fifth. Okay, class, we'll continue to pronounce ordinal numbers. Oke. Trio. Okay. Okay, when you find out the word like this, you have to say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. First means ke-1, second ke-2, third ke-3, fourth ke-4, fifth ke-5, sixth ke-6, seventh ke-7, eighth ke-8, ninth ke-9, tenth ke-10. Look at the following example. Lihat kepada contoh berikut ini. When do we celebrate Kartini Day? Kapan kita merayakan Hari Kartini? When do we celebrate Kartini Day? And the answer is Kartini Days is in April. So here in Kartini Days is in April. Kita menggunakan in sebelum nama bulan. Oke. Jadi preposisi in kita gunakan sebelum nama bulan. Hari Kartini dilaksanakan atau perayaan Hari Kartini dirayakan di bulan April. The second answer from this question is, it is on 21st of April. Kartini Day berlangsung atau terjadi pada bulan April tanggal 21 atau tanggal 21 bulan April. Jadi penulisan, if you want to write down the day, tanggal, and bulan, the contraction is like this. Konstruksinya seperti ini. The first you have to write down the day, tanggalnya dulu, 21st, and then spread dipisahkan oleh of. Lalu tulis Aprilnya di sini. Oke. So, if you find out the question, when do we celebrate Kartini Day? The answer is Kartini Day is in April. Jadi gunakan in, bukan on. If you say Kartini Day is on April, it's wrong. Jadi you have to say Kartini Day is in April. And then sebutkan tanggalnya. You have to mention the date. It is on. Nah, jika tanggal di depan tanggal kalian gunakan on, tidak in, not in ya. It is on the 21st. Jadi you have to use ordinal numbers, no cardinal numbers. Jadi harus menggunakan bilangan bertingkat di sini. 21st of April. Oke. Sabrina, can you read the first sentence, the question I mean? Or Cinta Nabila Putri, can you read the sentence? Okay, can you read?
Yes, Pak.
Okay, please read the sentence. Yeah. When do we celebrate Kartini Day? Can you look at the sentence? Or maybe Afrian Maulana, can you help me to read the sentence, this question? Aprian? Okay, maybe the signal problem, yeah. Is Anindya, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, can you read the sentence?
Yes, I can.
Okay, please.
When do we celebrate Kartini Day?
Okay, Siti Alifah, can you read this answer? Siti Alifah, Fauzia?
Yes.
Okay, please read the sentence. Dibaca kalimatnya, read the sentence.
Kartini Day is in April.
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 Terus, next.
It is on the 21st of April.
Okay, good. Okay, we'll move to the next pictures. Well, it's time for you to work in group consists of 4 students. Jadi waktunya kalian untuk bekerja di dalam kelompok. Setiap kelompok terdiri dari 4 student, 4 student, 4 siswa. Group 1 will be Sabrina, Vika, Erlis, Windy. Group 2 Eis, Giska, Isara, Tiara. Group 3 Salsa, Siti, Wisya, Fitri, Giska. Group 4 Zahira, Nindi, Alia, Rosa. Group 5 Arya, Aristia, Trio, Afrian. And group 6 Arliana, Bisma, Hadi, and Fatan. Your task is work in group. And I ask you, Bapak minta kalian to make a WhatsApp group ya. In WhatsApp group, please you discuss this question. Okay, this question for round 1. Untuk ronde 1, there are 5 questions. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to discuss this question. After that, after 5 minutes, I will ask you to answer the question. You have to solve the question like this. When I ask you to answer the question, for example, Sabrina, please solve your answer. You have to solve your answer to the camera. Jadi kalian harus menunjukkan jawabannya ke kamera seperti ini. Your time is 5 minutes beginning from now to discuss the answer in your group. And after 5 minutes, I will ask you to present your answer by showing your answer dengan menunjukkan jawab kalian a piece of paper like this. For round 1, answer the question below correctly. Jawab pertanyaan di bawah ini dengan benar. The first question is, what is the name of month before August? The second question is, what is the name of month after May? The third question is, what is the name of the third month? And the fourth question is, what is the name of the last month? And the last question is, what is the name of month before March? Okay, these are the questions for round 1. So your time is 5 minutes.
Pak, soal angka ditulis.
Kalian cukup menjawab, nggak usah ditulis pertanyaannya. And it's time for you all to present the answer for round 1. Okay, turn on your camera, please. And I will check your answer. I will move to the first group, Sabrina and friends, yeah. Where is Sabrina? Okay, I will ask Sabrina, Vika, Erlis, and Windy. Okay, as the group 1, beginning from Sabrina. When I ask the answer, you have to show your answer to the camera, okay? Okay, Sabrina, can you answer the question in round 1 for the question number 1? What is the month before August? Okay, show your answer to the camera. Okay? Okay, then you have to read your answer. Show the answer to the camera and read the answer. Okay? Turn on your microphone first. Okay, before you read, okay. Your answer is?
It is July.
July. Okay. Next. Windy. Show your answer. Your answer is June. Okay, good. Ais. Where is Ais? Ais, can you show your answer and read your answer? Okay, your answer. Okay, good. Next, Giska Izanur. Giska Izanur. Okay, it's not here, Giska Izanur. Zahira. Where is Zahira? Zahira. Okay, Zahira, can you solve your answer? And read your answer. Read. Please read your answer.
It is July.
Okay, Zahira. Your answer is July. Haristia Fauzan. Solve your answer and read your answer. Haristia. Please. Okay. Aryanuka. Solve your answer. Okay, Arya, good. Aryana Jaisi Syahnanda, solve your answer. Okay, come on, closer, getting closer to the camera. Okay, good. Well, we move to the next round, round 2. Arrange this jumble word into a good sentence. Okay, your time is 5 minutes beginning from now. Please answer the question. And don't forget, when you want to present your answer, you have to turn on your camera to show your answer and read your answer. Time is up, waktunya habis. It's time for you to present your answer. I will invite, of course, the first group to answer the questions. Sabrina, I will move to Sabrina first. Sabrina, show your answer and then read the answer. Okay, please Sabrina. The answer number 1.
I was born in August.
I was born. Okay, good.
In August.
Okay, good. Windy, please. Show your answer and read. Okay. Okay, number one first. Nomor 1 dulu, Win. Ya, number 1. Okay. Good. Is your answer is, where is Is? Is. Okay, Is. Read your answer. Okay, good.
I was born in August.
Okay, good. Zahira.
Number 1, Pak.
Yes, number 1. Okay, good. Arliana Jesse Syahnanda. Number 1. Okay, can you read your answer? Can you read your answer?
I was born in August.
Aryanuka, please. Come on. Iya, good. Arliana, oke. Okay. Cinta Nabila Putri. Answer number 1.
I was born in August.
Good. Oke. Okay. Rosana Kasuci. Siti Alifah. Fauzia first. Read your answer.
I was born in August.
Okay, good. Okay, I have your answer, and then we'll move to the next activity. Round 3. This is the round 3. Number 1, when do we celebrate National Education Day? Number 2, when do we celebrate Reformation Commemoration Day? Number 3, when do we celebrate Indonesia National Armed Force Day? Number 4, when do we celebrate Mother's Day? And number 5, when do we celebrate Pancasila Day? Okay, you have to answer the question. Your time is 5 minutes. Okay, time is up. turn on your camera to show your answer. I will begin from Windy. Your answer is number 1. Show your answer and read the answer. Okay, can you read the answer?
National Education Day is in May. It is on the 2nd of May.
Okay, good. Sabrina, please show your answer and read the answer.
National Education Day is in May. It is on the 2nd of May.
Okay, good. Next, Aryanuka. Aryanuka, please show your answer. Maybe there is signal problem. Arliana Jasi Syahnanda, read your answer and show your answer. Okay, you have to unmute your microphone. Okay, your answer is?
We celebrate National Education Day in 2 May.
Okay, good. Is your answer is?
National Education Day is in May. It is on the 2nd of May.
Good. Okay, next Afrian Maulana Kusuma Putra. Where is Afrian? Okay, maybe there is signal problem. Nah, Aryanuka, please show your answer.
National Education to 2nd May.
Okay, can you show? Tunjukkan ke kamera. Show to the camera your answer. Oke, tunjukkan ke kamera. Show your answer to the camera, Arya. Okay, good. Well, class, after this we will move to WhatsApp group ya, because the time is over for Zoom meeting to record our activity. So we'll move